Hi everyone, Kim Flynn here with today's Business Behind the Scenes. We are having a doozy of a week. Do we still say that? A doozy of a week? We're saying it now. Anyway, Facebook changed all their algorithms and it is just thrown us through a huge loop. All of a sudden, our Facebook ads account isn't working. I don't know if you realize how big of a deal that is. 65% of our leads come from Facebook right now. And right now, I'm about to have mutiny on my hands. My sales team has no leads and they're friggin' out. So hopefully we can resolve this week and figure out what to do. And the takeaway for you is what do you do when your business has no leads coming in?
You on a desktop or smartphone?
Simplified, and it'll be a doc.
The retreat is a 2.5 day
to be able to get that extra coaching and.
I only got one sign this week, dude. I feel so bad. No one's been answering though. That's my issue.
That one was a email me over some dates so I can get work off. So no.
Troy and Jaden, just so you know, we feel high knowing people may need to reschedule, and we like to stick between 10 and 15 in the room. Next week we have 7. So we super need to push to fill that. And then for the following week, February 28th, we still are low as well. It's kind of a catch-22 because of leads right now. We don't currently have new leads. Like, that's just point blank. We don't have new leads.
Probably around 7 p.m. at the 27th, the ads just stopped showing. 2.5 weeks of troubleshooting, really 2.5 weeks of hell.
It really is the lifeblood, having the Facebook leads.
It was hard enough to get somebody who did express interest. Now you're talking about getting people who expressed interest a long time ago.
What's the percentage of, attendees that come from those that aren't the hot leads?
Greg, what would you say?
There's only one retreat I know of that had like a lot of them. So there was probably like 12 people total. Typically speaking, if you have a room, maybe 2 of them are older.
I think that we can definitely achieve them, but at the same time it's going to take a lot of hard work.
We'll be able to push it.
What is it you do for a business?
What was it that initially?
Okay, awesome. And are you running that just out of your house?
Hi Melissa, this is Jaden. We've covered the cost.
So it kind of takes a lot of effort and energy on every department here, really.
I don't know marketing. I'm not a marketing guru. I can barely run my own Facebook. Because I don't understand everything, I'm very much like, let's just make something work. But then when Michael would explain things to me, I'm like, oh, okay. Like, it made complete sense of like why it's not just a faster process.
We as sales guys, we want to fill the retreats more than anybody because that's how we get paid. It's really tough to get 5 to 10 more people in there if they aren't within proximity of our location.
I've been getting crap about us advertising to Alaska.
I think Phoenix is probably closer to Houston.
What? Are you in Guam?
2 weeks out, we have 21. A month out, we have 15. Like, that's
Phoenix is crushing it.
I hope you put that on.
You guys are
I hope
crushing
you
it.
put that on Facebook.
You guys are crushing it. If you panic, it doesn't do you any good. So you just remain calm, test it, keep going through, you're gonna find a solution.
Time without hot leads is huge. I think it can make you a little vulnerable.
To be honest, I don't think it had a huge impact other than like a mental, emotional state where they said, oh no, I don't have fresh right now hot leads that just signed up today. They closed leads that were going through a nurture campaign and some leads that were a little bit older, and they had a record week. That's fantastic.
We were just talking earlier today that our team used to have, as an entire team, we would get like 8 or 12. As an entire team, you're doing the same thing the entire team used to do. Yay!
We ended the week with 42 signs as a team, which is incredible.
March 7th through 9th is going to be really almost 2 full.
We met our record one of the weeks and we broke our record the second week.
What's happening is we're having lower numbers here, which isn't great, but we're still having numbers here in Provo, but Phoenix numbers are booming.
Right now we're experimenting, we're testing other states, and it'll be interesting to see what the metrics are on that.
It's a really awesome moment to see that we do have a valuable enough retreat that we can get people who are from a couple years ago to still want to come out.
So we survived this week, barely, And we figured something out. We have been, first of all, spoiling our sales team because all we do is give them fresh leads. As soon as we cut off the lead source, they not only survived after complaining quite a bit, I might add, but they also found they beat all of their records. We had a record week. One of our sales guys beat all of his records, and it's because we were calling older leads that had the time to get nurtured. So they were getting emails from us, they had heard of us, they were kind of thinking about us in the background, and those leads actually converted better than brand spanking new leads. So the next time you run out of leads, what you do is you turn to your long database, long list of leads you already have. Even if you don't have a database, check your Gmail account. You probably have 3,000 to 5,000 leads just in your Gmail account of people you already know. And that is how to save some money in marketing. This is Kim Flynn reminding you to play big in business. If you found this tip helpful, please like or subscribe or even comment below. I do actually read all of your comments. And remember, if you want to join us at a business intensive retreat, please just reach out to us. We'd love to get you here. Thanks so much, everyone.